What's going on, everybody? This is Phil from Millennial Money Gains and welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video we are going to go over my dividend portfolio and just give you guys a little bit of an update here on it. So there has been some pretty big changes that we're going to talk about today in this video. So if you guys are hyped for it, just please make sure you smash that like button. I really do appreciate that. Also, if you guys want to subscribe to the channel and join the family, make sure you hit that subscribe button below. We post here at least once per week and we go over our dividend portfolio and you can follow our dividend journey. So if you guys are interested in that, make sure you hit that subscribe button below. But let's get right into the video. So I know this is coming out on a Monday. I am a day behind, but I want to make sure that I get this video out. I was out on a trip in Washington, D.C., so now I'm back and I'm recording this video for you guys. So the portfolio is currently sitting at $25,907 or so. We're up about 0.84% on the day, which is about $216. Not too shabby there. In the past week, we've been having a pretty good week. We're up over $1,000, which is about 4% of the portfolio. Pretty nice there. Past month, we are down just about $71, so pretty much break even at this point over the past month. October has been a very good month, as it typically is. In the past 3 months, we are down about $3,000 or so. So the market still has been beating me up, but we're going to go right into the changes here. So, if you guys can tell here, I do have about $1,752 in buying power, and this is because I sold AT&T. That's right, I sold my position in AT&T. I actually sold a call on it, and that call got exercised, so they did get my shares. The reason I let that happen, I did not buy back the call, is because I thought it was a good way for me to part ways with AT&T. I think I got in way too early on that one, and it's really just been in a downward trend. I'm really trying to focus on this portfolio and making it as best as it possibly can be. So AT&T, farewell. I appreciated all the dividends that you were able to give me, and I still have one more coming from you guys, so I do appreciate that. But we're going to go into some changes on this portfolio. So we do have two covered calls going right now. And the first one is going to be on Ford. This is a $13.50 call that we sold for $7. So we made $7 for the week on this one call. It is now worth $10. So we are down a little bit, but that is okay. We will make sure we're watching this one. Ford is currently sitting at $12.50 at the time I'm recording this video. So let's head back here. And let's go down and check out this covered call from Intel. So I did a $30 call, and I actually got $24 in income. So for the week, I am on about $31 for the week in covered call income, so not bad there. My goal is $20 a week, so I am doing pretty well in the covered call department this week. Intel does have earnings on October 27th, I believe, which is Thursday. So I'm going to be watching this one for sure, just because I do not want to lose my Intel. So I'm going to make sure that this one does not get exercised, because I do not want to lose 100 shares in Intel, of my Intel stock. But other changes that I made to the portfolio, so I did buy few more shares of Realty Income, so I'm sitting now at 64 shares. My average cost is $65.86, so pretty high still, but it's about 15% of my portfolio, which is also very high and not something that I planned, but the price was just too good to pass up right now. we are down about 10.5% on the total position, which is about $441. So not great there, but Realty Income I'm going to hold for a long time. I also had my weekly purchase of SCHD. As you guys know, I do purchase at least one share every single week of SCHD. So now I'm currently sitting at 8.6 shares, almost 8.6 shares. My average cost $70.23, so I am up almost about 1.7% on this position. And it's only about 2.5% of my portfolio. So we're definitely going to try to get that up. And with these weekly payments that are coming in, I put in $75 every single week into SCHD to try to build this position. I'm going to try to get this position to eventually, at some point, get it to 100 shares. But for now, this is what we're doing, $75 every single week, which will get me one share every single week for SCHD. But another thing that I wanted to go over is the dividend spreadsheet. So let's hop over there, and we got some nice changes there. So if you guys don't know, Ryan Williams, he made this spreadsheet and actually updated it recently. So I got that update. I filled out all my details that I needed, and that is what we have here. So my cost basis for this portfolio sitting at almost $28,000 with a market value of $24,000. So I am down about 12.6% on this portfolio. Not too shabby compared to the rest of the market. So my annual dividend income right now is $1,344.31. And this is because I did just sell AT&T, so that did go down a pretty penny. I'm making about $112 a month, which is almost $26 weekly, and about $3.68 on the daily that I am making from these dividends. So if you take a look here, I don't have some of these positions, so I didn't include it in the annual dividend income. So right now this is saying we're at $832 in a year, which is definitely a lot less, than we are actually at. We are probably nearing almost $1,000 at this point. But that is okay. He has this nice cool graph to show the cost basis and then the gains and the losses. So right now Intel is my biggest loss so far compared to my cost basis. And then Realty Income, Avi, we're doing pretty well on. And this we're going to hope to see rise over time with the blue bar getting all the way up to the top here. That is going to be our goal. But we also made a new chart for our covered call passive income, which will be tracking every single month rather than every single week. But I will let you guys know how much I make each week. But what we have here is every single month, and this line here is the moving average, just to see how it reflects. So for the month of October, we finished off with $100 in covered call passive income. Now I may actually be selling a put on something just to get a little more passive income, but I'll let you guys know if I do that in the next video. I will let you guys know. But so far for the month of June, we had $36. That was the first month that we did this. In July, we had $104. Then August was a little bit of a down month, $73. September was $105. And October was $100. So not too bad there. We are looking to get at least $20 per week, which would be on average about $80 per month. And we are currently, let me just do the math here and see exactly how much we are making on average every single month. We are making about $83.60 every single month so far based on the average of these 5 payments that I received. So hopefully we can get that up to about $100 a month. Definitely as we build more positions in this portfolio, we will be able to sell more covered calls, but an extra $100 a month on top of the dividend income is really nice to see from this one portfolio. But that's going to pretty much wrap up the video here. If you guys did enjoy it, please make sure you smash that like button. I really do appreciate that. Also, make sure you subscribe. Let me know how your dividend portfolio is doing. Let me know what you guys think of mine. I really do appreciate all of that. Again, check out Ryan Williams on YouTube. He's the one that created this spreadsheet, and I really appreciate that, and I really support him. So go check him out if you guys don't know who he is. I really appreciate all of your help and all your support, and I will see you in the next video. Peace!